Many people dream of building a company that is worth millions of dollars, but only a few are willing to follow the long journey that makes it possible. In Kenya, building a company with a value of more than $1 million United States dollars is not about luck. It is about solving real problems, serving customers well, managing money wisely, and growing steadily over many years. A company worth more than $1 million United States dollars may have a value of more than 120 million Kenyan shillings, depending on the exchange rate at the time. Reaching this level is not easy, but it is possible for determined entrepreneurs. The first step is choosing the right business idea. Do not start a business simply because it looks fashionable or because someone else is making money from it. Instead, look for problems that many people face every day. Businesses become valuable because they provide solutions. In Kenya, opportunities exist in agriculture, manufacturing, transport, healthcare, education, renewable energy, construction, tourism, technology, logistics, financial services, and digital businesses. Before spending money, study your market carefully. Talk to potential customers. Find out what they like, what they dislike, and what they are willing to pay for. After identifying the opportunity, prepare a clear business plan. Your plan should explain what your business will sell, who your customers will be, how you will make money, how much capital you need, and how you expect the business to grow. A good business plan also helps you avoid making emotional decisions. It becomes your roadmap whenever challenges arise. The next step is registering your business and operating legally. Many successful companies begin as small businesses, but they grow faster because they build trust from the beginning. Register your business, keep proper financial records, pay taxes when required, and obtain the necessary licenses for your industry. Investors, banks, suppliers, and large customers usually prefer dealing with businesses that follow the law and keep accurate records. Start small but think big. Many entrepreneurs delay starting because they believe they need millions of Kenyan shillings. In reality, many successful businesses began with limited capital. Instead of waiting for perfect conditions, begin with the resources you have. Test your product or service, learn from customer feedback, improve your offering, and slowly expand. The goal is not to start big, but to grow consistently. Your customers should always come first. A company becomes valuable when customers trust it enough to keep buying. Deliver quality products, respond quickly to complaints, and keep your promises. Happy customers become repeat buyers. They also recommend your business to family members, friends, and colleagues. This free marketing is often more powerful than expensive advertising. Build a strong brand from the beginning. Your business name, logo, customer service, website, social media pages, packaging, and reputation should all communicate professionalism. A trusted brand allows a business to charge better prices and attract loyal customers. People often buy from businesses they know and trust, even when cheaper alternatives exist. Control your finances carefully. Many businesses fail because owners mix personal and business money. Open a separate business bank account. Record every sale and every expense. Monitor cash flow every month. Avoid unnecessary spending. Buy equipment only when it helps the business grow. A company that manages money well is more likely to survive difficult economic periods. Reinvest profits into the business instead of spending everything. Many entrepreneurs make the mistake of buying expensive cars or living lavishly after making their first profits. Smart business owners use profits to buy better equipment, hire skilled workers, increase production, improve marketing, and enter new markets. Reinvestment allows the business to grow much faster. Build systems instead of depending only on yourself. Many small businesses cannot grow because the owner wants to do everything. As your company grows, create clear processes for sales, customer service, accounting, inventory management, and operations. Train employees to follow these systems. A valuable company can continue operating even when the owner is away. Hire the right people. Employees are one of the biggest assets of a growing company. Recruit people who are skilled, honest, hardworking, and willing to learn. Treat your team fairly and provide opportunities for growth. Employees who feel respected often work harder and stay longer. A motivated team can increase productivity, improve customer satisfaction, and help the company expand. Technology should become part of your business strategy. Use accounting software, inventory systems, digital payment solutions, customer management tools, and online marketing. Technology saves time, reduces mistakes, and improves efficiency. Even traditional businesses such as farming, retail, transport, and manufacturing can become more profitable by adopting modern technology. Marketing should never stop. Some entrepreneurs believe that once customers know them, advertising is no longer necessary. This is a costly mistake. Continue promoting your products through social media, websites, email marketing, search engines, referrals, partnerships, exhibitions, and community events. Every new customer creates another opportunity for growth. Focus on building multiple sources of income within the same business. For example, a furniture company can sell furniture, offer installation services, provide maintenance, and manufacture custom products. A farming business can produce crops, process food, sell seedlings, and offer training. Multiple income streams reduce risk and increase profits. Watch your competitors, but do not copy them blindly. Learn from their strengths and weaknesses. Find areas where you can provide better quality, lower prices, faster delivery, or superior customer service. Companies become industry leaders by offering something different rather than simply following others. Expand gradually into new locations. Once your business becomes successful in one town, consider opening branches in other counties or serving customers across Kenya through online sales and efficient delivery services. Expansion should happen only after your original location becomes stable and profitable. Growing too quickly without proper planning can create serious financial problems. Think beyond Kenya. East Africa provides a large market for ambitious businesses. Countries such as Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, and others within the region offer opportunities for expansion. Some Kenyan companies have also successfully entered international markets by exporting products or providing digital services. International expansion increases both revenue and business value. As your company grows, consider different ways of raising capital. Instead of depending only on personal savings, you may seek bank financing, strategic business partners, angel investors, venture capital investors, or private equity investors, depending on your industry and stage of growth. Investors usually look for businesses with steady sales, good management, accurate financial records, and clear growth plans. Innovation should become a continuous habit. Customer needs change over time. Technology also changes rapidly. Businesses that stop improving often lose customers to more innovative competitors. Regularly introduce better products, improve customer experience, reduce costs, and explore new business opportunities. Continuous improvement keeps your company competitive. Manage risks carefully. Every business faces challenges such as inflation, changing customer preferences, competition, supply chain disruptions, currency fluctuations, and economic uncertainty. Prepare emergency savings, diversify suppliers, ensure important assets where appropriate, and avoid depending on a single customer for most of your income. Good risk management protects the business during difficult times. Measure your performance using numbers. Monitor monthly sales, profits, customer growth, operating costs, employee productivity, customer satisfaction, and cash flow. Business decisions should be based on facts instead of guesses. Regular analysis helps you identify problems early before they become major crises. Building a company worth more than $1 million also requires patience. Most successful companies did not reach that level within 1 or 2 years. Many spent several years improving products, learning from mistakes, expanding gradually, and building customer trust. Success usually comes from thousands of small improvements made consistently over a long period. Remember that the value of a company is not determined only by the amount of money it earns today. Investors also consider future growth, strong leadership, loyal customers, efficient systems, valuable assets, reliable financial records, and the ability to continue generating profits. This means that every improvement you make today can increase your company's value in the future. Kenya offers many opportunities for entrepreneurs who are willing to work hard and think long-term. The country's growing population, increasing internet use, expanding digital payments, improving infrastructure, and active entrepreneurial culture create many possibilities for business growth. At the same time, competition continues to increase, making quality, innovation, and excellent customer service even more important. Building a $1 million company is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about creating a business that solves real problems, serves customers consistently, manages money wisely, develops strong leaders, embraces technology, and grows steadily year after year. If you remain disciplined, continue learning, adapt to changing markets, and focus on creating lasting value, your business can grow from a small startup into one of Kenya's most successful companies. The journey requires commitment, patience, and persistence, but every successful company once started with a single idea and a determined entrepreneur willing to take the first step.